Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your go-to spot for cool tech tips. Today, we are diving into 8 hidden features in Android 14. From customizing your lock screen to setting up split screen mode like a boss. These tips will make your Android 14 device even more personalized and efficient. Let us get started. Here's an overview of what we will cover. 1. Auto-confirm PIN. 2. Customizing split screen on tablet mode. 3. Lock screen clock customization. 4. Flash notification for app alerts. 5. Transparent navigation bar. 6. Adjust navigation gestures guide. 7. Media player animation. 8. Customization of lock screen quick toggles. And let us dive in. 1. Auto-confirm PIN. Tired of confirming your PIN every time? This setting will do it for you, so you don't have to. Go to Settings, tap on Security and Privacy. Select Device Unlock. Tap Screen Lock and choose PIN. Make sure it is a 6-digit code. Toggle on Auto-Confirm Correct PIN. Now, your device will automatically confirm the correct PIN, so no more repetitive entries. Number 2. Customizing split screen on tablet mode. Need to multitask like a pro? Split screen mode is here to help. On your Galaxy phone, swipe up from the home screen to open the app drawer. Long press on an app icon and select Open in Split Screen View. Choose the second app you want to open in split screen mode. Adjust the screen size by dragging the divider. You can now multitask easily by running 2 apps side by side. Number 3. Lock screen clock customization. Want your lock screen clock to have more personality? Let's give it a makeover. Go to Settings, scroll down and select Lock Screen. Tap on Clock Style. Choose from one of the available clock styles. Tap Done to apply the changes. Choose the perfect clock style for your lock screen and make it uniquely yours. Number 4. Flash notification for app alerts. Need visual notifications for app alerts? The flash notification feature will light up your world literally. Go to Settings, tap on Accessibility. Scroll down and select Hearing. Choose Flash Notification. Toggle on Camera Flash or select Screen Flash. Customize the flash color if needed. There are 12 options. Now every time you get an alert, your phone will flash to grab your attention. Perfect for noisy environments. 5. Transparent navigation bar. Want a sleek, minimalistic look? You can make your navigation bar transparent. Go to Settings, scroll down and select Developer Options. You may need to enable it by tapping About Phone and tapping Build Number 7 times. Tap on Drawing and toggle on Transparent Navigation Bar. Your navigation bar will now disappear into the background, giving you a clean, immersive look. Number 6. Adjust Navigation Gestures Guide. Struggling with gesture navigation? This setting gives you a helpful guide to get the hang of it. Go to Settings, scroll down and select Display. Tap Navigation Bar and Gestures. Enable Gesture Navigation if it is not already on. Customize the gestures as needed, and a circle will guide you when using back gestures. Master gestures in no time with a visual guide that makes everything easier to navigate. Number 7. Media Player Animation. Want a cool effect while listening to music or watching videos? Watch the media controls light up in style. Play a media file in any app. Example, YouTube Music. While playing, tap the media controls. Observe the wave glow animation around the player controls. It is like your media player just joined a rave. Number 8. Customization of lock screen quick toggles. Want quick access to essential features right from your lock screen? You can customize the quick toggles to suit your needs. Go to Settings, scroll down to Lock Screen, tap Widgets. Tap on Edit and select which toggles you'd like to appear on your lock screen. Enable or disable options like Camera, Do Not Disturb, Flashlight, etc. Now you can access important features without unlocking your phone. It is like a shortcut to everything you need. And there you have it. With these 8 hidden Android 14 features, you can make your phone more efficient, stylish, and personalized. From enhancing the lock screen to making navigation smoother, these tricks will definitely level up your Android experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you into the next one, where we will continue exploring ways to get the most out of your tech. Until then, enjoy your Android 14 device, my friends. Bye for now.